A game consists of black and white pieces. The number of black pieces is 5 more than 3 times the white pieces. 7 white and 15 black pieces are removed each round. After several rounds, there are 3 white and 56 black pieces left. How many pieces were there in the beginning? Solution. Let B and W be the number of black and white pieces in the beginning respectively. The number of black pieces is 5 more than 3 times the white pieces. Therefore, B equals 3W plus 5, equation A. Let the number of rounds be x. Number of white pieces removed in one round equals 7. Number of white pieces removed in x rounds equals 7x. Number of white pieces left at the end of all rounds equals 3. Therefore, total number of white pieces at the beginning of the game W equals 7x plus 3, equation B. Similarly, number of black pieces removed in one round equals 15. Number of black pieces removed in x rounds equals 15x. Number of black pieces left at the end of all rounds equals 56. Therefore, total number of black pieces at the beginning of the game B equals 15x plus 56, equation C. Substituting the values of B and W into equation A and finding the value of x. 15x plus 56 equals 3, 7x plus 3, plus 5. 15x plus 56 equals 21x plus 14. 6x equals 42, x equals 7. Now, finding the number of black and white pieces in the beginning. W equals 7 multiplied by 7 plus 3 is equal to 52, using equation B. B equals 15 multiplied by 7 plus 56 is equal to 161, using equation C. Therefore, total number of pieces, W plus B equals 52 plus 161 is equal to 213.